Thank you for choosing to tour a home from the Susman collection. If you have any questions about this or any other homes, please call 9544780974. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Welcome to your dream home. This beautifully designed single-family residence offers luxury living on the green. Featuring a modern open-concept floor plan, this home blends spaciousness and style, perfect for both entertaining and everyday living. From the moment you step inside, you're greeted by soaring ceilings, abundant natural light, and seamless flow between the living, dining, and kitchen areas, and opens to a generous family room and bonus enclosed Florida room, with sweeping views of the golf course and manicured fairways. Your enclosed Florida room is the ideal setting for morning coffee or sunset gatherings. Enjoy resort-style living with community amenities that may include pools, tennis courts, clubhouse access, and 24/7 security, all just minutes from world-class shopping and dining.